Hello guys, Shubham here, back again in another video. So it's been a long on our channel. We were reviewing some ROMs which are based on Android 11 or which are latest launch for a phone, that is Poco F1. So all of these ROMs are pretty good and fine in terms of performance like gaming and battery, but sometimes it just happens that we don't get satisfied by its performance from ROM 2. At such time the another option left behind is changing the kernel. So that's what this video is all about. So after so long, today we are reviewing a kernel which is called as a no gravity kernel, including how to configure in its own application called as NGK app. So without any further ado, let's get into this video and see how to install this kernel step by step. So at the very first time, as you can see, these are some of the files we required to complete this process. So this is the folder in which we required the magic zip, no gravity kernel.zip file and the APK of the NGK app itself. So moving towards the Telegram channel, this is Poco F1 Updates Telegram channel from where we are going to install our NGK application and also the zip file of the kernel itself. Click on the download button, which is the very first option, and going towards the download, this is the source code page where you will get the latest zip of this kernel itself. In my case, I have already installed the kernel and all the other requirement, so you just have to click on the download button and your zip will get installed itself. Moving further, as you can see, this is another link which is saved as the application. So click on that link and you will get the APK file itself. So you just have to download the latest APK file and you are good to go further. So this is the official XDA page of this kernel where you will get all of the information in detail that what all things to be done, and also some of the configs and change logs which you can see from here, including some screenshots too. Make sure you also have to install the Magic Zip, which is of version 23.1, to get the benefit of the no gravity kernel application to grant all the super user rights itself. Pretty obvious though. So after downloading all the three files, we are good to go for our installation process. Now we have to boot into the recovery of our phone. Take any of the latest recovery and you are good to go. In my case, this is the pitch black recovery. At the very first time, we have to wipe all the cache partitions. Make sure to wipe only cache partitions. You don't need to wipe all the data system or any other internal storage or such kind of partitions itself. In my case, I have downloaded and installed all of the requirements, so no need to swipe or wiping of the cache. So at the very first time, you have to install the zip file which is of no gravity kernel. So just install this zip file, and after installing that, you have to also install the magic zip. Once you install both of the files, you can go back to the system and reboot the system itself. So coming back to the system, as you can see that our system has been booted successfully. So now go back to the files folder, under the folder where we have kept all our files. And you can see this is another file which is the APK file of the NGK kernel application. You just have to easily install that application just like you install the APK, and your APK will get installed itself. As you can see, my phone was rebooted, so these are some of the changes which are getting applied after phone get reboot. So here you go, this is the NGK app application which granted super users right, and you are all good to go to tweak your kernel the way you want. Right now my theme is battery. You can keep various themes such as performance, battery saver, gaming plus, and also create a very own too. Custom option is the one where you can create your very own custom configurations. You just have to go on the options in this profile creator and you can create your very own profile as per your need. So you can just switch between these of the options and you are good to go to do any type of configuration as per your need and as per your daily usage. So these are some of the options where you can see the CPU performance of the device, how your CPU performance is and all the other stuff. If we deep dive into the detail, then you can successfully configure this kernel very well. But I am not going deep into it as the kernel is already overclocked. So yeah, you can just flash this kernel and also you are good to go with some basic configurations. Mind that you don't touch any of the configuration which you don't have knowledge of. This might just mess up your processor performance or battery performance. So that's kind of risky. So all of the options such as battery, regarding kernel, regarding CPU, GPU display and all of the other options are available right here. The one who knows all of the stuff can easily configure the kernel the way he wants and use this kernel to its full potential. Here we will see the kernel statistics. But right now it's not taking any kind of statistics itself, so it's not showing any statistics too. All the enabling disabling of option. This is gestures where you can just set some options which you basically get in ROM 2. This is DTS audio drivers which will give you the luxury of installing and enjoying the drivers of the DTS. There is some touchscreen drivers information and that's it. So this is how the NGK application look like. At the front they have kept the very minimal UI. You can just skip any of the UI itself or any of the mode, and once you reboot it you are good to go. Now we just skipping the gaming plus mode and let's see how the gaming performance looks like. So this is the Call of Duty Mobile. On the extreme left side you can also see the FPS or frames per second count. You can see that the FPS count is not fluctuating in between 40, 30 or 50 itself. It's going above 60. So in terms of FPS while playing this game I certainly observed some difference. Before the gaming performance was not that snappy and also it used to lag a little bit, but using this kernel you will feel the luxury and snappiness of no gravity kernel. The overclock performance is pretty much good and dope itself. So yeah, for gamers it's definitely a good choice. Let's move further towards the battery performance. Then yes, you will definitely see a good change in terms of battery. You will get about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time on playing some 2 to 3 gameplays of Call of Duty Mobile and watching some series or anime on your phone, which is pretty much huge. Where on the other side you usually get 4 to 5 hours on using just the custom ROM itself. So this was a great overhaul from the overall kernel performance. This, by the way, this is the Corvus OS on which I have installed the no gravity kernel and it works pretty much dope and safe. Now let's talk about the Magis configurations. So once you install the Magis, the NGK app as you can see got the all of the grants permission itself, but regarding safety net check you have to do some configurations. So move towards the super user right here itself, click on the Magis and you just have to select your payment application whichever you want to use. Select all of the option of that particular drop down payment application, and once you reboot your device your payment application will work without any issue and also a safety net check will be bypassed. You have to do this compulsorily once you install Magis because your device is now rooted. So to bypass safety net check you have to do it or else payment applications will not work. So as you can see this is the working payment applications. Once you just enable the Magis hide you are good to go with it. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video must hit that like button, and also I must say that you must try this kernel itself. It works on any Android 11 and I guess also on 10 ROMs. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such content upcoming. Until then, see you again in the next one. Peace out and happy flashing.